Hello students, welcome to the class. In the previous videos, I used to tell you how to create a table. In this video, I am going to show you practically how to create a table. The first way, using the grid, okay, using the grid view. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to the insert tab. As you're able to see here, the insert tab, I think you're not able to see. So let me adjust the camera. Okay, I think now you're able to see. Wait. Okay, here is the insert. So click on the insert. Okay, and here is the table. Okay, now tap here, you get the grid. Now you have to drag the things here. Wait. Okay, see. So it automatically creates the table here. Okay, now the second way. The second way to create a table, again go to the insert one, go to the insert here, insert table and insert table option. Okay, now this window appears here. Now here the first one, write the required columns. Like if I write 5 here, 5, and then required rows. Suppose if I write 5 and 4. Okay, now create. Okay, then you got the table. Now this one is the rows and these are the cells. Sorry, this one is the columns and these are the rows. This one is the rows. The selected things are the rows, and now if this one is called, yes, columns. Now intersection of the first row and the first column, this one, okay, is called, the selected one is the cell. Okay, now these are the cells. Now you want to increase the height and width of the cell. So you have to come these lines, row lines are there. So as you put your mouse here, okay, it will convert into double-headed arrow. Now click here and drag any direction. See, the dotted line is up here, and drag it in any direction, so to change the size. Okay, see, now similarly in that, if you increase the width of the cell, so just same process you have to do again, but click on the bottom line. Okay, like this. Okay, now if you want to move the table in the page, so there, see here, the square box is there. As you put your cursor there, the cursor is converted into the 4-headed arrow. Now click there and move your table around the page. See. Okay. Now if you want to delete a particular row, suppose I want to delete this one row. Okay. So select the entire cell, entire rows there, and right click of your mouse. Okay, and then after here, delete row option is there. So click on delete row option, the cell is deleted. Now to insert the cell, again the same process. Here, cell. Okay, insert, and then what you want. If you want column, insert column to the left, to the right, rows, and all the options are there. Where to go? Simply click on a particular row, right click on the particular row, then go to insert option, and then columns and rows options are there. Even you insert the cell also. Okay, so try this one at your home. I think this one is enough for today. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.